Welcome to this lesson on chromatin and chromosomes, where we'll explore how DNA is organized in the nucleus. Understanding DNA packaging is fundamental to cell biology, as it explains how our cells manage enormous amounts of genetic information in a tiny space. Let's dive into the fascinating world of DNA organization. Human cells face an incredible packaging challenge. Each cell contains approximately 2 meters of DNA, yet this must fit inside a nucleus that is only about 10 micrometers in diameter. To put this in perspective, that's like fitting a rope as long as a football field into a space the size of a tennis ball. Achieving this requires about 10,000-fold compaction. This remarkable feat of molecular engineering is accomplished through chromatin structure. Chromatin is the complex of DNA and proteins found in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. It consists of two main components. First, we have DNA, the double helix molecule that carries all our genetic information. Second, we have histones, which are special proteins that act as scaffolds for DNA packaging. Together, these components form the structural foundation for organizing genetic material. The nucleosome is the basic repeating unit of chromatin packaging. Think of it as the fundamental building block of DNA organization. In a nucleosome, DNA wraps around a core of histone proteins. Specifically, 147 base pairs of DNA wrap around the histone core, making 1 in 65 turns around it. This structure resembles beads on a string when viewed under an electron microscope. The histone core around which DNA wraps is called a histone octamer because it contains 8 individual histone proteins. This octamer consists of 4 different types of histones, each present in 2 copies. We have 2 copies of histone H2A, 2 copies of histone H2B, 2 copies of histone H3, and 2 copies of histone H4. Together, these 8 proteins form a stable platform for DNA wrapping. Histone H1 is special because it's called the linker histone. Unlike the core histones that form the nucleosome center, histone H1 binds to the linker DNA between nucleosomes. Its primary function is to stabilize the 30-nanometer chromatin fiber, which is a higher level of DNA organization. By doing this, histone H1 helps create more compact chromatin structures essential for proper DNA packaging. DNA packaging occurs in multiple hierarchical levels. At the first level, we have the DNA double helix itself, which is about 2 nanometers in diameter. At the second level, nucleosomes form the beads on a string structure, creating an 11-nanometer fiber. The third level involves coiling into the 30-nanometer chromatin fiber, which forms a solenoid structure with the help of histone H1. Finally, at the fourth level, we see higher-order loops forming looped domains that range from 300 to 700 nanometers. Each level provides additional compaction. Chromatin exists in 2 distinct functional states. Euchromatin is loosely packed, transcriptionally active, and appears as light staining regions under a microscope. This open structure allows genes to be accessed and expressed. In contrast, heterochromatin is tightly packed, transcriptionally silent, and appears as dark staining regions. This condensed form keeps genes turned off and protects DNA. Cells dynamically regulate which regions are euchromatin or heterochromatin based on their needs. Chromosomes represent the maximum level of chromatin condensation and form specifically during cell division, including mitosis and meiosis. Humans have 46 chromosomes organized into 23 pairs in each cell. Each chromosome contains specialized structures including the centromere, which is essential for chromosome separation during cell division, and telomeres, which are protective caps at the chromosome ends. This highly condensed form ensures accurate distribution of genetic material to daughter cells. Chromatin organization serves 4 critical functions in cells. First, DNA packaging allows the massive genome to fit compactly inside the tiny nucleus. Second, DNA protection shields the genetic material from physical damage and chemical stress. Third, gene regulation is achieved by controlling which DNA regions are accessible for transcription. thereby determining which genes are active or silent. Fourth, chromosome segregation ensures that DNA is properly organized and distributed during cell division. Together, these functions make chromatin essential for cell survival and proper functioning.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.